Blake and I are about to install a tonneau cover on our Chevy 1500 pickup truck. It's a model year 2007. So that's the front cover cap. That's the cover itself and the roller assembly and the two side rails. That's basically all that comes with it. So we're gonna film this whole process.
Sun right in my eyes. If you forget where the camera is, look into the sun. So the battery died. No idea where you guys left off in that. But I'm gonna pretend like it didn't happen. But I'm gonna kind of do an update in case you did miss. It's cold out here. So this Gator Tracks cover for the Silverado here is mostly installed now. It's pretty simple. Once you've done it, it's not simple if you've never done it, because we had to figure everything out. But essentially you have these rails, one on each side, front cover piece, and then the cover itself is like a self-contained unit that's in this roller, and it contains itself and rolls itself. It's really nice, but we got to install the drain plugs, which are up under here, and they drain in that hole back there in the corner where that tie down eyelet is. Kind of hard to see, but we're gonna have to modify that a little bit because that hole is not big enough for the diameter, outside diameter of the tubing that came with the drains. So I'll show you the fix that I've come up with for that, hopefully permanent fix. But yeah, here's a little preview of how this thing works if you do it right. It works great. Look at that, beautiful. I guess if you didn't care about the rainwater and stuff, you wouldn't have to install the drain tubes, but I guess 50% of installing one of these things is to keep the stuff dry, so that wouldn't make sense. One-handed. Did it. Nice. Okay, so drain tube problem. Essentially, this was the original drain tube, you know, plenty of length, outside diameter too big. We cut it down, so now we have a shorter length overall, and we're going to use this tubing, which came in the packaging, I believe, to protect the aluminum, but it's also it's tubing, and this fits in the hole that's in the truck bed. So we're essentially going to splice this into here using the hose clamp method. I've already tried to clamp it just by inserting this new hose in there, and the outside diameter is too narrow, so we're going to build it up with my silicone tape. Where did I put my silicone tape? I'm always losing the stuff that I need to complete the job.
I don't know, bud.
And I just brought it out here. It's in my pocket. It's in my pocket. This right here, this is my favorite stuff. I don't know if you can see me. Let me make sure. Yeah. This self-adhesive silicone tape, first introduced to me when I first got into the Marine Corps working on helicopters. And this stuff is irreplaceable. It has so many applications, and today it's going to help us build up the outside diameter of the smaller tubing so that it's makes a better seal and clamps better inside of the inside diameter of the tubing that's too large. And in case it doesn't need to go in place very easily, we have the liquid Dawn detergent, which makes everything happen. So I'm gonna set you back up on the Jeep here, and hopefully you can watch me work. This thing doesn't scream at you when the battery dies, huh?
Yeah, I don't know. I guess not.
Oh my gosh. I think final product. Had to use some of the Dawn. I'm not going to pressure test this or anything, but I'm pretty sure it's going to seal the rainwater. Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
So there's to it right there.
Nice. This is not a sponsored video by GatorCovers.com, but it, you know.
I might have to adjust my tailgate to go in a little more, it latches more, but possibly some water could get under that right there.
Maybe, yeah.
And but hey, I think it's great. Look at that.
Yeah, that's good.
Thank you, Blake.
Yeah, no
I
problem.
appreciate that. You helped me.
That'll keep
You
your
did it all. You did it all by yourself.
No, I could have done it without your help. But yeah, that'll keep your stuff secure,
And dry.
dry.
And it looks good.
For the Alaska trip, it does.